Take a walk with me in the villages. This time through, I got to see the farmer's market and see just about every shop and restaurant they got. I'll show you what all Brownwood has to offer, and then we'll go through the farmer's market and see some live music.
Not now, dog.
New on the block is Oh My Cupcakery. South side of the square has Harvest Farm to Table and Bluefin Bar and Grill. The City Fire must be good, while North Square has World of Beers.
Y Asadero Mexicano Fiesta Grande.
Great spot, McAllister's Deli is what Panera strives to be. Got a great haircut from Cal's Barbershop. Now, Brownwood is known for their farmers market. This day I happened to stumble upon arts and crafts. The farmers market runs until 2 p.m. every Saturday. There's a pretzel guy, a mushroom man. This trip I got me some apple cider vinegar and jalapeno peanut butter.